right, so first I'm removing this side panel, then I'm removing this all in order to get this off this thing right here. All right, so now I just took off all 4 bolts from the brake assembly. 1, 2, tree, 4 is somewhere up here. 4, there we go. Gotta take that pin out right here. This thing right here. Then I can take it all off. That pin right there. So I'm gonna pull it out, and then push it through, and this thing will be free. Got the brake assembly down, so it's loose. And now I gotta disconnect the pins. Got the brake assembly out. Snack break. Coconut cacao. Cacao. I need a small Phillips to get under there. You get this right here. That out. And I could use either a Phillips or a wrench to get that one. Look at God. Had this little thing and it fit perfectly in here to loosen this up. How else would I get in here? I have no clue. But God. Had to use some ingenuity, but I finally got her out. And all I'm hoping right now is that the part that I got to replace it is the same exact part. And from the looks of it, it is. The resistor was easy. 2 bolts. Take them out. Grab. Got the new one. This is the old one. This is the new one. Same part. Beautiful. Found it. The resistor goes right here. I wasn't able to show you me taking it out, but this is it right here. So you put it right back to where it belongs after I replaced it. Took the prongs out, put the new ones in. Took the first plug out, put the new ones in. Now I'm putting in these screws, and I gotta be careful, so I'm gonna shut off the video. All right, y'all, for a moment of truth, we're gonna see if this thing works. Power back onto the engine. I'll turn it on. Let's see if my heat is working. All right, I don't know if that's why that happened. Something ain't. Maybe it's because I don't have my brakes and stuff back. But no need for alarm. Maybe it doesn't work without my pedals, and that would make sense. So let's just hope that's the case. Ladies and gentlemen, we have air. And now I'm back on the road. Got working heat. Listen, ain't no better feeling than putting your hands to work and really just doing whatever you need to do to make sure you take care of yourself and your family. You know, I'm thinking about my wife. I'm thinking about my sons. You know, if they need to borrow this car, how they gonna use it? You know what I mean? Without no heat. So thank God he gave me the ability to think on my feet. He gave me the inspiration to go see how to do this, go check out the prices for the parts, and make it happen. So thank God, and thank God for the struggle, because if they didn't tell me how expensive it was, and if I didn't think about how much I didn't have the money, I probably would have just said, you know what, this situation wouldn't have turned out the way it did. So thank God for what led us here, and now I know how to do something new. want to mention that I saved about $900 doing this myself. So let that sizzle for a second. $900. Literally called both dealerships, and one told me just labor is going to cost $960. And when I called the other mechanic, he said, "All right, let me price it out." He priced it out, called me back. He said it's going to cost $1,040 something bucks or 60 something bucks. So it cost me $100 for the part. Thank God one of my family members had a garage. Already bought all the tools, already had all the tools. Tools do cost some change, so if you don't have tools, you'll have to buy tools. But it's, I didn't use anything major. A simple socket set, some screwdrivers was all I needed. So, sometimes you just gotta try. That's it. You never know how much favor you got on your side. All right, y'all. Once again, peace.